Today we are going to see chapter number 2. Name of the chapter number 2 is electrostatic potential and capacitance. It means this chapter basically divide in two parts. First part we have electrostatic potential and the second part is based on capacitor. Static means still we are going to work on static part only, means here also charges are on rest position. Remember, here in this chapter also charges are on rest position, and on that rest position what type of effect produce in this base that we are going to see. Okay, so first of all let us start. What do you mean by electrostatic potential? Okay, hope you know about this word potential. Basically this word we are going to use with energy, and as we know that we have two type of energy. First one we have kinetic energy and the second one we have potential energy. So like this only we are going to see over here. Now as we have one theory, I think you know that, which is known as work energy theorem. In work energy theorem, I think so you know that change in kinetic energy converts to potential energy, work done, change in kinetic energy converts to work done. Similarly, change in potential energy also converts to work done. Okay, and basically if we combine these two theory, in that case we have kinetic energy plus potential energy equal to mechanical energy. Okay, so by using this concept, means change in work done converts to potential, change in work done converts to energy. That concept we are going to use over here. Now see, over here we have one charge greater than 0, means it is a positive charge. Positive charge means what? Whatever electric field produced over here, which is radially produced in outward direction from the center of the charge. Now here I have one charge, it is unit positive charge. Now I would like to send them this charge at point P. Now just see this point over here. This point basically you can observe within the electric field, means limit of the electric field, within the limit of electric field. So I have to push it or I have to pull it. Okay, this is the two thing which I can do over here. In both cases this one will displace, and slowly while it is moving, then it is reach over here. Once it is reach, you must have to put it on rest position. Okay, it means what? While it comes on rest, so basically it turns towards potential energy. Okay, now for that you must have to apply such a force, okay, from one direction, from this direction, or you have to pull it from this direction. In both cases you have to pull or push. Okay, means indirectly you are applying force in proper particular direction. Okay, and due to this force, while it is displaced, due to this force while it is displaced from one place to other place, so displacement means force into displacement converts to work done. Okay, that thing you know. Now this way, suppose this unit positive charge is moving from positive, unit positive charge is moving towards Q point. In that case also you will get same answer. One more thing, where is our unit positive charge? So for that, let us consider this unit positive charge is at infinite distance from the center. Okay, so we must have to do such a work. Now this is very large distance, so it is very hectic for us to define. Okay, for that we can go for work done by variable forces, if you know this concept. Otherwise you can go in a previous section 11 standard and try to read it. Okay, now by using this concept we have a simple definition of electrostatic potential. Why we are using word electrostatic means this is electric charge which is stable over here. On that time whatever energy remains in that charge known as potential energy. Okay, so work done means we are working on charge against electric field. Electric field is moving towards this direction, and we are bringing this unit positive charge opposite to electric field. That's why here we have a word against electric field. To carry unit positive charge at a given point means at point P from infinite distance is called static electric potential of that point. Static electric potential basically we will define by V. Okay, now how to do, see the work done. Okay, work done means initial position at the infinite distance and final position at point P. So work done to bring unit positive charge from infinite to P, which is WP equal to infinite to P E dot dr barabar. So E, that is electric field, and dr, that is displacement of the vector. You can write dl or dr, nothing to worry about that. Similarly, work done for Q, so work done to bring unit positive charge from infinite to Q position, that we have to write like this. Here we are using a concept of work done by variable forces. Okay, here we have a word against, means we are working opposite to electric field, so you must have to write negative sign over here. Okay, and this work done converts to potential energy. So Vp stands for electrostatic potential at point P equal to minus infinite to point P E dot dr, and electrostatic potential at point Q, that we have in the form of minus Wq equal to minus integration infinite to Q E dot dr. Okay, since our area, this area means line length is too large, that's why we are using integration format, remember. So here electric potential will be negative in negative electric field, and it will be positive in positive electric field. Okay, simple formula over here we have for electric potential energy, which is work done per unit charge, and SI unit over here we have joule per coulomb, or in the, or we have another unit which is volt. Okay, I hope this electrostatic potential energy understand. One more thing, electrostatic potential energy is a scalar quantity. Okay, and simply it is known as potential, electric potential, or also known as voltage. That's why we are using a SI unit volt. Fine, so this is basic introduction of chapter number 2. One homework I would like to give you here: find out dimensional formula of electrostatic potential. Basic formula is work done per unit charge. By using this you can easily find. Okay, remember this is very important concept, and remember this equation, this is very important equation. Okay, by using this equation and formula we will solve many numericals as well as many theory. So this is very important basically, so please watch it properly. Thank you.